Most missed upsells in service businesses happen right after the technician finishes diagnosing the issue, because the customer already trusts the technician but no upgrade or option is clearly explained at that moment. By the end of this, you'll know how to upsell during service visits, when to bring it up without sounding pushy, and how to increase job value using simple, natural conversations on site. Upselling during a service visit is not about selling more. It's about presenting better options while you're already solving a customer's problem. The first step is identifying upsell opportunities during diagnosis. That means noticing related issues, worn parts, or future problems while you are already inspecting the system. This matters because customers are more open to solutions when the problem is already visible and explained clearly. The second step is framing the upsell as an option, not a recommendation they feel pressured into. Instead of pushing, you present choices with clear differences in outcome. This keeps the conversation neutral and helps the customer feel in control of the decision. The third step is timing. The best moment to introduce an upsell is after you explain the main issue, not before or during the diagnosis. At that point, the customer understands the problem and is mentally prepared to hear solutions. The fourth step is keeping explanations simple. Most customers don't need technical details. Just what happens if they fix it now versus later. This helps them make decisions faster without confusion or hesitation. The fifth step is focusing on value instead of price. Customers respond better when they understand what they avoid by choosing a better option, such as repeat breakdowns or future repair costs. When comparing approaches, the main difference is between reactive selling and structured upselling. Reactive selling happens randomly and depends on personality or confidence. Structured upselling happens every time because it follows a repeatable process. The most effective service teams don't rely on persuasion. They rely on consistency in how options are presented. Another important factor is trust. If customers feel pressured, they reject upgrades even when they make sense. If they feel informed, they are more likely to accept them. A practical next step is to review your last few service visits and identify where an additional option could have been presented but wasn't. This helps you spot missed opportunities in your current process. If this helped you understand how to upsell during service visits, like the video and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of contractor sales strategies and field service systems.